next topic is subnetting of class A. Question: calculate for 111 subnet, 111 subnet, and given class full NID is 111.0.0.0/8. Also find out network ID, broadcast ID, first valid IP, last valid IP, and valid IP range. For each subnet ID, the class number is 111.0.0.0/8, and we want to calculate the 111 subnet, and also want to find out NID, VID, first valid IP, last valid IP, and valid IP range for each subnet. क्या फैन भी ऑन नहीं किया जब because the AC will not work because the column in the outside, the meter, electric meter is burned out. The light of the whole building is coming directly in without meter. Permission by the electricity department, no problem. We are not doing wrong. They will provide the meter in 2 or 3 days. Solution. In step number 1, we will write the mask 255.0.0.0, that is the default mask of class A. Default mask. Step number 2, we will convert this mask into the binary format 111111000000000000 and 00000000. अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी। हाफिज जी, आज बच्चे नाना के घर गए हुए हैं तो आज शाम में घर पे नहीं मिलेंगे। ठीक है, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। स्टेप नंबर 2, number of network bits is 8 and number of host bits is 24. Step number 3, we will apply the formula for number of subnet x equal to 2 to the power n, and the value of n in class A will be from 0, 1, 2. We can take the value of n is 22 because by default the network bit is 8 and maximum bit of network can be 30. We can take 22 bit more into the network. want to make the how many subnet 111. If you want to give the value of n is 0, we are not dividing the network will remain the same. At n equal to 1, the answer will be 2. At n equal to 2, the answer will be 4. N equal to 3, the answer will be 8. Our requirement is not 8, our requirement is 111. At n equal to 4, the answer will be 16. N equal to 5, answer will be 32. Our requirement is still not completed. Increase the bit further. N equal to 6, the value will be 64. N equal to 7, the value will be 128. Our requirement is completing at bit number 7. In step number 4, we will turn on 7 bit in second octet in case of class A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And fourth octet completely remain the 0, 0, and third octet completely remain the 0, 0, 0, 0. Predefined network bits is 8. Network bit is equal to 8, and the bits we have turned on for the subnetwork bit is 7, because the value of n is coming 7. The value of n is coming 7, and the remaining host bits is 8 is 16 and 1 17. Any question? Any question from step number 1 to 4? No question. Come to the step number 5. In step number 5, we will convert that number into decimal from the binary 255, and if we will turn on the 7 bit in this second octet, the value of the 7 bits will be how much? 2540.0. that is subnet mask. Subnet mask, subnet mask. In step number 6, block size will be 256 minus 254. Block size will be 2, and in which octet? Second octet. Step number 7 is starting of first subnet will be from 0.0.0, that is the second octet, third octet, and fourth octet. We will add the block size 2 in second octet. Second subnet 4 2.0.0 3. I am writing correctly or wrong? What will happen in third octet? 2 or 3? 2, 3, or other number? Subnet. It's 4. Right answer. Because we are adding 2. Okay. And next will be 6, then 8, and so on. And the last will be 2540.0. Okay. Network static IP. If you are taking only one IP address, the ISP is writing a route for you. No? If you want to make your network and you want to advertise that network into the publicly via internet, you won't say somebody will access your FTP server or SMTP server or web page server. Obviously you will need the blocks of the multiple IP address. If your plan is you want to make 3 or 4 web server, if you want 3 web server, then you will say to ISP, I want 3 IP address, but ISP will not provide the 3 IP address. 3 IP address will require 1 NID and 1 BID. How much is came out? 5. There is no block size of the 5. ISP will say to you, you will purchase the block size of the 8. ISP will provide you 8 IP address and you will pay to ISP for the 8 IP address. And in 8 IP address, one is NID, one is BID, and usable range is from 1 to 6. You can use the 6 valid IP address only. This is step number 8. In step number 8, valid IP per subnet ID will be 2 to the power n minus 2. And what will be the value of n here? From the 4th step, 17. If we are going to the step number 4, in step number 4 the value of n is 17. 17 minus 2. Step number 9, subnet ID range. Subnet ID range. First, let's say second. We have 111 predefined, and first NID will start from 0.0.0. That is the first NID. Second will start from the 2. 111.2.0.0. That is the second NID. And the BID of the first NID, first subnet is 111.1.255.255. Third subnet ID will start from the 4. That's why the BID of second subnet is 111.3.255.255. First valid IP of first subnet is 111.0.0.1 and 111.1.255.254 is the last valid. 111 and 2.0.1 first valid, and 111.3.255.254 last valid. That is an ID, BID, and first valid IP, last valid IP, and that is valid IP range. Similarly, NID, BID, and first valid IP, last valid IP.